The Johnson family is incredibly frustrated. The problem? They have hard water. Hardness refers to a high concentration of minerals in water, mostly calcium and magnesium. Water picks up these minerals as it flows through the ground. About 85% of the United States has hard water. The Johnsons realize that although hard water isn't harmful to their health, it can wreak havoc on their home and their bodies. Hard water causes a scale to build up in pipes and appliances, restricting flow and causing expensive damages. The minerals in hard water cause soap to form an insoluble curd instead of a lather, so the Johnsons have to use significantly more soap and cleaning supplies. Hard water leaves spots and streaks on dishes, silverware, and glasses. It leaves behind a soap scum on sinks and tubs, and damages skin and hair. But then they hear about water softeners, a system that can remove the hardness minerals using a method called ion exchange. Here's how it works. Inside a tall media tank, there's a layer of tiny plastic beads called ion exchange resin. These resin beads have a negative charge so that positive ions bond to them. The beads start out with sodium or potassium ions attached. As hard water flows through, calcium and magnesium ions take the place of the sodium or potassium ions because they have a stronger positive charge. The resin can only hold a certain amount of hardness ions, so when it reaches its capacity, it needs to be regenerated or cleaned. The first step in this regeneration process is the removal of sediment and dirt. Water flows up through the tank, stirring up the filtration media and separating the resin, starting the cleaning process. Then, a highly concentrated solution of sodium chloride or potassium chloride is drawn from the backflush tank into the media tank and slowly flows down through the resin. This displaces the calcium and magnesium ions and replaces them with fresh sodium or potassium ions. After that, the system goes through another backwash cycle, with the water flowing up through the filtration media, flushing the leftover solution and the calcium and magnesium ions down the drain. Finally, the system is rinsed, settling the resin back down and preparing it to soften water again.